For you and me, why can't it be? Why can't it be? What up, fellas? Welcome back to the DMV channel. I'm Jeff Dixon. Isaiah's behind you on the camera. And this weekend, we're gonna be working on the firewall, getting it ready for our motor. Now, I told you the last episode we were gonna be putting the tires on. I was really excited to do that. I'm really disappointed we can't, but I ordered a bunch of suspension stuff. It didn't come in, and what I don't want to do is in and out, in and out, in and out with the subframes, because that crap drives me crazy. So this weekend, we're going to be getting ready to put the motor in the car. So hopefully we'll be rebuilding the motor soon. We'll walk you through that process, but for now, we've got to paint the firewall, get it all ready. I've got to weld in these corners, weld in those corners, fill in a little of our weld just slightly with some body filler to get it ready for paint. Let's get to work. Ooh, it is hot in the Ozarks. Okay, we got our, our firewall cleaned up a little bit, and we're gonna putty that. We're gonna primer it, putty it, make it look right. But now I've already got a pilot hole here. We're going to try to put the steering back in and make it look nice and not all butchered up. So I guess let's try that and see how it turns out. Well, I hate to do it to you guys, but we did not get this thing painted. It just took way longer than I thought. It's Memorial Day weekend. My wife says I'm a stranger and she's got all kinds of plans for me, so I guess I better get in the house. But that's it. I really appreciate you guys joining us. Thanks for all the comments. It's been a lot of fun getting to know everybody, and join us again next weekend. Have no idea what we'll be doing, but we'll be doing something. Thanks.